Hello guys, welcome to my first ever normal player commentary. Today we'll be doing a video on this brain dead user called Mr. Angry Bird. So yeah, enjoy the commentary. Grab your brain cells, grab your popcorn, grab your Diet Coke, grab your iced tea, and grab your apple juice and strap in the ride. Keep your hands in the ride at all times. Sorry for copying Camilla's earlier commentaries. I feel bad about myself. By Camilla, I mean Camilla Productions. Subscribe to that user. She's pretty nice, if you know what I mean. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this commentary, shall we?
Hey guy.
First of all, Among Us is not even funny anymore. He's not even a good. He's not even. He's not even. He's not even hip with the times anymore. And for the love of Jesus, just stop making Beyonce little commentaries. But knowing you might ignore my advice because you're a little pussy. So anyways, yeah. What am I doing? It's literally, it's literally 3 p.m. as I'm recording this voice clip, and I'm literally being a little fish that doesn't give a fuck about anyone's opinions. So yeah. Let's continue this god-awful commentary by Mr. Angry Bird, shall we?
It's time for another commentary, and it will be on Daniel Tom Salute on Jacob the Paw Patrol fan. Let's get started.
Nobody cares. 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 Who do you think cares? Who do you think even cares? Slightly cares. 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 Bitch.
Jacob the Paw Patrol Mario Talking Tom fan. Wow, this user rocks.
No he doesn't, because he keeps making termination threats.
First of all, that watermark in the corner of the screen is not needed because you already have the goddamn Viva Cut watermark. We don't need a watermark number 3089.
His opinion on Jake's Foley since I like this user.
But can you explain why you like Jake's Foley?
He likes Paw Patrol and Blaze and the Monster Machines.
Bruh. You can't like someone because they like shows you also like, and this proves you are acting like Jay Kaiser, despite you making a rant on him.
First of all, Daniel Tom, even though he's a little pussy, doesn't to explain his opinions to you. Anyways, yeah, you are as annoying as a lawnmower mowing over a watermelon. Your real voice is so annoying, and text-to-speech is not even good.
Ryan Animate because Ryan Animate deleted that rant for good.
Yeah, that proves he is a criminal supporter, just like Plotagon Fanatic 2021.
I agreed with you on Aiden Productions because he is a Jay Kaiser wannabe.
And you also acted like him as well.
Can you stop using text-to-speech for more than 2 seconds? Oh, I forgot. You're too embarrassed about your voice, got 3-year-old. Anyways, let's get this over with. I promise this is the last time we'll be talking in this group. So yeah, let's just get this over with so I can rest my vocal cords. There we go.
Made up to 149 subscribers. I hope this user stays on YouTube.
Well, that might not happen.
Do you know who likes this user?
Nobody cares!
I don't know who hates this user, so I am going to leave it be.
Nobody cares well about you, Mr. Angry Bird, that is. Anyways, let's get this commentary over with, shall we? Just kidding, this video is already over. So yeah, bye!